We want to win in life, and there's a strategy that we employ to win in life. It's an ugly, embarrassing, deplorable strategy, but many of us do it. We learn it very young, and it's the way our world tries to win at life, and many of us have gotten sucked into it over the years. I'm going to label it elevation by association. Elevation by association. The idea is that we're going to move up in the world by associating with people that can get us there. This attitude says, you know what, there are two kinds of people in the world. There are positive status people, and those are people that have achieved a higher social echelon or status than we have. And then there are negative status people. People below me on society's pecking order. Bill Hybels, in his book Descending into Greatness, describes this, I think, brilliantly. He said, take 10 chickens, any 10, put them in a pen together and spread a little chicken feed on the ground. In short order, you will witness an amazing phenomenon. In a matter of minutes, the chickens, previously strangers, will form a hierarchy based on dominance. Or in everyday language, they will establish a pecking order. Instinctively, they will determine through a series of skirmishes who the number one chicken will be, and then number 2 and number 3, all the way down to unlucky number 10 chicken. Much is at stake in this dance of domination. Chicken number 1 pecks at and intimidates chicken number 2 without experiencing any kind of retribution from chicken number 2. Chicken number 2 will take it out on chicken number 3, who will in turn take out his frustration on chicken number 4. The pecking order continues all the way down to chicken number 10, who, needless to say, has a pretty miserable life. Pecked, but no one to peck. This kind of thing happens everywhere. At sporting events, parties, class reunions, family picnics, church. Nearly all of us look at other people's professions, educations, wardrobes, cars, homes, and we try to figure out where they fit in the pecking order, and we measure each other by counting very carefully. You might be thinking, what does it matter? It matters because many of us have a tendency to treat those above us in the pecking order with admiration, cordiality, and honor, even though we may secretly envy or even despise them. And those below us we tend to treat with insensitivity and callousness and even contempt. When the president of the company asks us for a favor, he'll get it. When the VIP, the owner, or the superstar comes around, we reflexively treat them preferentially. But what happens when the janitor at our company wants 5 minutes of our time? Or the single mom next door asks for a small favor again? How do we react? Well, it kind of depends on our mood. Because those who are below us, we would never say it. But for them, honor is optional. Boy, that's ugly, isn't it? That's ugly.